got another delivery from Smith's, didn't we, Bob? Mm-hmm. Are we going to check to see what's inside it?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Mm-hmm. How excited are you? 10, 10, 10. Right, let's get a look inside. Open it up.
Okay.
Give you some help. Oh my God, what's in here, huh?
No.
What is it going to be? Whoa, packaging. Defining Moments Ric Flair. Wow. Oh my God. Is that cool? Are you happy? He's in shock. He's in shock. Well guys, welcome to Bobby B Wrestling, and we got another figure to review for you guys, and it's a very exciting one as we got Charlotte's daddy, Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. Woo! Right, let's get him open, see what he's like. What a figure, iconic figure this is. The greatest in history, some would say. So right, we'll get a wee look at the box first. There you see he's in his famous blue. Look at the face scan on that. It's brilliant. And then if you look at the back, you can see the Nature Boy there. And a little history lesson all about Ric Flair and his achievements. So I'm really excited about this figure. I think Bobby is too. Are you, Bobby? You love Charlotte, don't you? Let's see if we get this out. This was actually on sale in Smith's, so we couldn't pass it up. Isn't that right, Bob? We had to get a good deal when we seen it. This is usually like €30, but we got it for 15. Right, here we go. Wow. Wow. This is so cool. They're always so well packaged. I can't get it out. There we go. Wow, where do we get these little wires holding his arms in? There we go. You like him, do you?
He's bad.
He's what?
He's bad.
He's a good guy. So many little intricate pieces of...
Wow.
How do we actually get him out of the box, huh? We nearly need to do another video showing how you get him out of the box.
Do that.
There he is. Do you want to see him?
Yeah.
Wow.
Here I open the coat,
He's a big coat, doesn't he? That's the way he came out when he was wrestling. When you get people see this, look at that. Look at the detail there, look. And you get his big robe, his famous robe that he came out in. Oh, that's definitely a 10 figure there, isn't it? Defining Moments. Yeah, he's white hair. So that's him there, look, you can see the Nature Boy. He's got the big robe. He's got the little Ric Flair in his trunks. You just take this off. Put it on again in a minute, will we? And there he is. That's our Ric Flair Defining Moments unboxing video. Really happy with this figure. The Nature Boy, one of the best ever. Thanks for watching Bobby B Wrestling. Give us a like, subscribe, and tell us what you think.